Hey there, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear waters of the Dominican Republic to explore a true Caribbean gem, the Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine. This adults-only paradise is nestled in the heart of Punta Cana, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement for those looking to escape the daily grind. So grab your favorite tropical drink, and let's take a virtual tour of this stunning resort. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine doesn't mess around when it comes to comfort. Picture yourself stepping into a spacious room with marble floors that gleam under the soft Caribbean light. Every room comes with a private balcony or terrace, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or enjoying a nightcap under the stars. But here's where it gets really interesting. Each bathroom is equipped with a hydromassage tub. That's right, you can have your own personal spa experience without even leaving your room. The rooms are decked out with all the modern amenities you'd expect. Flat-screen TVs, air conditioning to keep you cool in that tropical heat, and a minibar stocked with beer and soft drinks. And let's not forget the coffee machine, because who doesn't need a caffeine fix after a night of Caribbean revelry? While the exact room categories aren't spelled out in neon lights, you can expect garden or pool views that'll have you feeling like you've stepped into a postcard. And for those lucky enough to snag a room with a beach view, well, let's just say you might never want to leave your balcony. Now let's talk about what really matters on vacation, the food and drinks. While we don't have a play-by-play of every restaurant, the Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine doesn't disappoint when it comes to culinary adventures. The resort boasts multiple dining venues that serve up a smorgasbord of cuisines. You can expect to find everything from local Caribbean specialties that'll make your taste buds dance to international dishes that'll remind you of home. If home was a 5-star restaurant, that is. But here's where it gets really fun. The resort often aligns its dining experiences with its nightly entertainment. Imagine sipping on expertly crafted cocktails during a mixology workshop or swirling and sniffing your way through a wine tasting event. And for those nights when you're feeling a bit more adventurous, there are themed food events that go hand in hand with the resort's famous parties. Dominican full moon party? Check. Burlesque show? You bet. The possibilities are as endless as the ocean views. Just remember, this is an adults-only resort, so the dining atmosphere stays sophisticated and romantic. No chicken nuggets or juice boxes in sight. Speaking of views, let's dive into the pools and beaches. The main pool of Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine is described as very nice and clean, which in resort speak translates to absolutely gorgeous. Picture a vast expanse of shimmering blue water, surrounded by comfortable loungers and swaying palm trees. And the best part? There's a bar right by the pool, so you never have to choose between taking a dip and sipping on a piña colada. Now here's a pro tip. The resort has a policy of removing towels early in the morning to prevent spot saving. It's a small touch, but it means you won't have to wake up at the crack of dawn to claim your piece of paradise. As for the beach, you're in for a treat. The resort is located on Arena Gorda Beach, known for its pristine sandy shores and crystal clear waters. Unlike some other beaches in the area, there's no pesky seaweed to ruin your perfect Instagram shots. The resort has its own designated section of the beach, complete with a beach bar for those essential refreshments. Fair warning, though, chairs can be a hot commodity during peak times, but a small tip to the attentive staff might just secure you the perfect spot to work on your tan. Now for those of you who can't sit still even on vacation, the Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine has got you covered with a plethora of activities. They've recently upped their game in the fitness department, offering trendy workouts like TRX training and CrossFit sessions. For those looking to embrace the local culture, you can shake your hips in merengue and salsa dance lessons. And if you're more into Zen than Zumba, there are plenty of wellness activities to keep you centered. While we don't have the exact details of the spa treatments, it's safe to assume that with a resort of this caliber, you'll find everything from soothing massages to rejuvenating facials. The fitness center is likely well equipped to support all these classes, so you can keep up with your workout routine or start a new one, because nothing motivates like an ocean view, right? But let's be real, you're in the Caribbean. And sometimes the best activity is no activity at all. That's where the spa and wellness offerings come in. While we don't have a menu of treatments to read off to you, imagine melting away your stress with a beachside massage, the sound of waves providing the perfect backdrop. Or picture yourself emerging from a steam room, feeling refreshed and ready to take on another day in paradise. The resort's focus on wellness extends beyond just spa treatments. It's about creating an environment where you can truly unwind and reconnect with yourself. Whether that means joining a yoga class at sunrise or indulging in a detoxifying body wrap, the choice is yours. And let's not forget the simple pleasure of lounging by the pool with a good book. Sometimes that's all the wellness you need. Now, normally this is where we talk about kids clubs and family activities, but remember, Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine is an adults-only resort. So instead of building sandcastles and organizing scavenger hunts, the resort focuses on creating an atmosphere of sophisticated fun. Think silent discos under the stars, foam parties that'll make you feel like a kid again, but with adult beverages, and cultural events that let you immerse yourself in Dominican traditions. It's like summer camp for grown-ups, but with better food and no curfew. Speaking of no curfew, let's talk about what's happening outside the resort. Punta Cana is a treasure trove of attractions and activities. Golf enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that the Iberostar Golf Course is just a 10-minute drive away. Fancy a bit of adventure? The Splash Water Park is also nearby, perfect for when you want to unleash your inner child. Remember, no actual children allowed at the resort. And if you're looking to explore more of the local scene, the famous Bavaro Beach is about a 25-minute drive away. The hotel offers shuttle services within the complex, and while we don't have specific info on external excursions, it's a safe bet that the helpful staff can arrange tours and transportation to nearby attractions. Whether you want to explore ancient caves, zip line through the jungle, or simply shop for local crafts, there's something for everyone just a stone's throw from your luxurious home base. So what's the overall verdict on Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine? In a word, impressive. This resort manages to strike that elusive balance between relaxation and entertainment, offering a sophisticated escape for adults looking to unwind or ramp up the excitement, or both. The spacious rooms with their luxurious touches, like hydromassage tubs, set the tone for a pampering stay. The dining options, while not explicitly detailed, promise a culinary journey that matches the resort's commitment to quality and variety. The beautiful pool and beach areas provide the quintessential Caribbean backdrop for your vacation photos and memories. However, no paradise is without its small imperfections. Some guests have noted that the pool area can get a bit lively, even in the adults-only zone. If you're seeking monk-like silence, you might find the animation and music a tad disruptive. Additionally, during peak times, securing a lounge chair by the pool or beach can be a bit of a challenge, though the staff is reportedly helpful in assisting guests. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.